What's up everybody, welcome back to Toe Game Masters. Today I'm going to show you how to install a 2.5 RS bumper, or also known as a version 5 STI bumper. There's a 10mm bolt holding the center of the bumper, and there are Phillips head plastic screws on the sides of the bumper. I've already removed the Phillips head plastic screw on this side, but essentially there is one on each side where you have to remove them in order to get the bumper loose. There's going to be two 17mm bolts holding each side of the crash bar. There's two here, and there are two on the other side. Alright, and with those two 17mm bolts removed on the driver's side and two on the passenger side, you should be able to remove the crash bar and bumper as a whole. Just remember to unplug the turn signals and or fog lights if you have those. I've already installed the 2.5 RS crash bar, and I've gone ahead and removed the headlights. We're going to now install the 2.5 RS and or version 5 bumper. I'm just going to put a clip up top just to hold that onto the crash bar while I install some of the other pieces onto the bumper. I'm going to go ahead and install the side grills. These just pop into place. There's one on each side. Next we're going to install the fog light brackets. They actually go behind the bumper, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the bumper and put those on. Off camera, I've also installed the fog light covers on the front bumper. It's just held on by a 10mm screw on each side. With that installed, I'm going to go ahead and put on all the clips on the top of the front bumper.
Perfect.
The clips holding the bumper to the crash bar are actually plastic Phillips screws, so just use a Phillips head screwdriver and install those. Be careful not to strip these. Once those are installed, we're going to go ahead and put back on the headlights. These are held on by four 10mm screws, two on each side of the headlights. You'll notice that the front bumper is missing the two turn signals. They were on back orders, so at the time of this video, I didn't receive them yet. Once the headlights are installed, the side markers can also be installed. They are held on by a Phillips screwdriver that connects the side marker lights to the main headlight. You can kind of just pop them in there. Once those are installed, we're going to go ahead and put on the grill. They pretty much just pop into place. We're then going to put the 10mm bolt that holds the center of the bumper on. Go ahead and tighten that down. And lastly, we're going to install the 2 plastic Phillips clips from the bumper to the fender. And this should complete our install of the 2.5 RS or version 5 bumper. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.